is so much easier than you think. The first thing you do is you don't listen to cookbook authors. What you do is you just take the recipe and you make it simple. So here's how I make my cream of broccoli soup. Whole head of broccoli in the pot. Zucchini in the pot. Red onion in the pot. And I just put it in boiling water and I let it simmer for about 45 minutes because, you know, whole heads of broccoli. And I put in a little sea salt. What really makes it shine though is the coconut milk. So I'm not stingy on that. I'll put in 2 to 3 cans, depending on the size of the pot. And I use a big pot. That's what I use. And that's why it seems like I'm only cooking a few times a year when it comes to soups at least, because the soups freeze really, really well. They taste really amazing when you defrost them. And it's so easy, as you can see. The cooking style really helps you make this a way of life. So let me know your thoughts. And if you have any cooking hacks that you'd like to share, please do, because I am the queen of lazy, especially in summer. Bye guys.